Hey friends, if you wish to install and use DuckDuckGo search engine and application on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now here's an interesting thing. While Google Chrome does not exist or the Microsoft Store, DuckDuckGo does. Search for Store in the Windows search bar and open Microsoft Store. Now search for the word DuckDuckGo, browser search and AI, and then click on Get. Okay, it will start installing the DuckDuckGo browser application on your computer and will need a few seconds for the same. So it is very compatible with every version of Windows and it can be installed easily. To know better, just scroll down and check the system requirements. If it has a tick mark here, green tick mark here, then it means that it will definitely work. Okay, so it is installing on the system right now and we will wait till the installation completes. Once it has installed, just click on open and it will open the application browser. So you can access it on the web as well, but this will allow you to open it as a separate application on your computer. And applications means that it makes your life easy in comparison to the browser. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.